To make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method that you will follow to make money. First we need two things to work with this method. We need a Pinterest account. So if you don't have one, create it right now. Just type in pinterest.com and you will be able to create your account. And we also need an amazon.com account, and to be more specific, we need Amazon Associates account. So you can create your Amazon Associates account and will be approved in 24 hours to 48 hours, and that account will allow us to get our affiliate links. And those affiliate links that are the links that we're going to promote on Pinterest. So let's get into it. So first of all, we need to choose a niche. So our niche for today is the automotive industry niche. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in our niche and look for the viral posts on this niche and get ideas and go create our own post. But for me, I'm not going to create my own post because it's going to take a lot of time. I'm just going to re-upload a post that already exists on pinterest.com. For you, I don't advise you to do that because your account will be deactivated. So I've been there and I'm telling you now, don't do that. So I'm just going to do that to make an example and to show you how it's done. But you need to be creative and create your own accounts. So let's see if we can find any popular or viral posts in this niche. So as you can see here, we have here some bikes, some good bikes, some heavy machinery equipment. I think it's an engine. So here we have a lot of posts, but we need something more specific, something that is related to a product. So let's go with automotive gadgets, or accessories. So let's go with automotive gadgets, car accessories. So here we have a lot of gadgets or accessories. So you have this one, also this one, which is from Amazon. You have also this one, which is from Shein. So I have here a lot of products and a lot of posts. We also have here some videos, some TikTok videos. So you can just select one of these one. I'm going just to select one of these posts and work on it. So let's go with this one, which is also from Amazon. So I'm going to take the image, download image, and click on create idea pin, open in a new tab. You go to that new tab and you drag and drop your image right in the middle. So you drop your image right here, it's uploading, and there you go. This is our image. Then we need to give it a title. I'm just going to copy it from here. As I said in the beginning, this is just an example. Create your own posts, your own unique posts. Then I will take the description also from the previous post right here and copy it, paste on the description area. And then I'm going to take the link from Amazon.com. I'm going with automotive or car accessories. So I'm going to take the whole category, the whole categories link. You can also just focus on one product, but I'm going to go with the whole category link. So let's go with best sellers. So those are the best sellers in the car gadgets. So I'm just going to take the link from here, click on text and take the link, copy and go to Pinterest and leave your link right here. Then you proceed to the most important part of the post, which is tags. So here guys, why is it very important? Because it will help the post go viral. So the more tags you add, the more viral it will get and the more it will be shown to people. So make sure to choose as much tags as you can and make sure it's related to your niche, because we don't want to show a car accessories product to a pet lover or someone, or a niche for home interior or something like that. So I think with the idea, so we just want to target the car enthusiasts. So I'm going to choose everything that is related to cars. Car mechanic. So I think with the idea guys, everything related to cars, don't miss. Car audio, automotive. So make sure to go through all the keywords, automotive decor. So it's not limited, you can select as much tags as you can find. Automotive rims and wheels. So make sure to go as hard as you can with these tags and choose every tag out there related to your niche. Then after you're done with adding your tags, you check your post before publishing it, the title, description, your link also. You check the image if it fits the place, and you check tags. You double check if you forget any tag, something like that. Then you hit publish and your post will be published in seconds. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.